Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of spray-on bedliners for truck bed protection. A good spray-on bedliner not only enhances the look of your truck but also adds a layer of durability and protection to withstand heavy loads and rough conditions. We have handpicked the 7 best spray-on bedliners available, each offering unique features to suit different needs and preferences. Let's jump right into our top picks. At the first position of our list, we have the U-POL Raptor Black Spray-On Truck Bedliner, renowned for its robust durability and professional-grade finish. This bedliner kit comes with everything you need to apply a tough, textured coating that protects against scratches, rust and UV damage. The U-POL Raptor uses a 2-part urethane coating that dries quickly and adheres strongly to the truck bed surface. It's designed to be resistant to chemicals, ensuring longevity even in harsh environments. The kit includes a spray gun with adjustable nozzle settings, allowing for easy application and customization of the texture. In terms of usability, the U-POL Raptor is user-friendly, suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It provides a thick layer of protection that enhances the truck's appearance while providing a no-slip surface for cargo. Durability is a standout feature of the U-POL Raptor, offering excellent abrasion resistance and maintaining its color and texture over time. It's also UV stable, meaning it won't fade or chalk under sunlight exposure, ensuring a long-lasting finish. Overall, the U-POL Raptor Black Spray-On Truck Bedliner combines ease of application, durability and protective capabilities, making it an ideal choice for truck owners looking to safeguard their vehicle against the elements.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next on our list, we have the LinerXtreeme Spray-On Bedliner Kit, offering a comprehensive solution for truck bed protection. This kit includes 1.5 gallon of spray-on bedliner material, sufficient to cover standard-sized truck beds with a durable, textured coating. The LinerXtreeme Bedliner features a high-solid polyurethane formula that provides excellent adhesion and impact resistance. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, chemicals and abrasions, ensuring reliable protection in various conditions. In terms of usability, the LinerXtreeme kit is designed for DIY applications, providing detailed instructions for preparation and application. It can be applied using a standard spray gun, allowing for customization of the texture and thickness according to personal preference. Durability is a key highlight of the LinerXtreeme Bedliner, offering long-term protection against rust, scratches and fading. The polyurethane material remains flexible and resilient, maintaining its integrity even with frequent use and exposure to outdoor elements. Overall, the LinerXtreeme Spray-On Bedliner Kit is a versatile choice for truck owners seeking a robust, do-it-yourself solution to enhance durability and preserve the appearance of their truck beds. Next up at number 3, moving along with the AI's Liner Premium Spray-On Truck Bedliners. Known for its customizable protection and professional-grade quality, this liner kit includes a blend of polyurethane and rubber granules, offering superior strength and durability. The AI's Liner Bedliner features a tintable formula that allows for custom color matching to your truck's exterior. It provides a textured finish that enhances grip and prevents cargo from sliding during transportation. In terms of usability, the AI's liner kit is designed for ease of application, suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. It includes a spray gun with adjustable nozzle settings, facilitating precise application and control over the texture and coverage. Durability is a standard feature of the AI's liner, formulated to resist impact, abrasion and chemicals. The polyurethane rubber blend maintains its flexibility and color stability over time, ensuring a lasting protective barrier against wear and tear. Overall, the AI's Liner Premium Spray-On Truck Bedliner offers versatility, durability and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for truck owners looking to customize and fortify their vehicle's bed with a professional-grade finish. Next up is the Custom Shop Urethane Spray-On Truck Bedliner, designed for exceptional durability and ease of application. This bedliner kit features a high-solid urethane formula that provides a tough, textured coating resistant to scratches and abrasions. The Custom Shop Liner offers a customizable texture that can be adjusted using the included spray gun, allowing for a smooth or textured finish as desired. It adheres strongly to the truck bed surface, forming a protective barrier that enhances durability and aesthetics. In terms of usability, the Custom Shop Kit is user-friendly, suitable for DIY applications with detailed instructions provided. It dries quickly to a hard finish that withstands impacts and maintains its integrity under varying weather conditions. Durability is a key highlight of the custom shop bedliner, formulated to resist fading, choking, and UV damage. The urethane material remains flexible and resilient, ensuring long-term protection and preserving the appearance of your truck bed. Overall, the custom shop urethane spray-on truck bedliner offers reliability, ease of application, and superior protective capabilities, making it an ideal choice for truck owners seeking a durable and customizable solution. Continuing our list, at number 5 we have Rhinox Black Urethane Spray-on Truck Bedliner, recognized for its strength, flexibility, and professional-grade finish. This bedliner utilizes a polyurethane formula infused with rubber granule for enhanced durability and impact resistance. The Rhinox bedliner features a textured finish that improves grip and prevents cargo from shifting during transport. It provides a seamless waterproof barrier that protects against rust, corrosion, and UV damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. In terms of usability, the Rhinox Black Urethane Liner is designed for ease of application, suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. It includes a spray gun with adjustable settings, allowing for precise control over the texture and coverage. Durability is a standard feature of the Rhinox bedliner, formulated to withstand extreme temperatures and environmental conditions. The polyurethane rubber blend maintains its flexibility and color stability, providing a rugged yet stylish finish for your truck bed. Overall, the Rhinox Black Urethane Spray-on Truck Bedliner combines durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for truck owners looking to enhance both protection and appearance. Next up, number 6, we have the Samurai Polyurethane Truck Bedliner Spray Paint, offering a cost-effective solution with robust protective capabilities. This liner is formulated with polyurethane resin for durability and resistance to scratches, chemicals, and weather elements. The Samurai bedliner features a smooth, matte finish that enhances the truck bed's appearance while providing reliable protection against rust and corrosion. It adheres firmly to metal surfaces, forming a seamless barrier that withstands heavy use and harsh conditions. In terms of usability, the Samurai Polyurethane Liner Spray Paint is designed for easy application, suitable for DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their truck's durability. It can be applied using a spray gun or roller, providing flexibility in texture and coverage. Durability is a key highlight of the Samurai bedliner, engineered to maintain its integrity and color stability over time. The polyurethane resin resists fading and UV damage, ensuring a long-lasting protective coating for your truck bed. Overall, the Samurai Polyurethane Truck Bedliner Spray Paint offers affordability, durability, and ease of application, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious truck owners seeking reliable protection and enhanced aesthetics. Last but certainly not least, at number 7 we have the CTI Industrial Supply Urethane Spray-on Truck Bedliner. Known for its industrial-grade strength and protective capabilities, this bedliner is formulated with high-solids urethane resin, offering superior adhesion and impact resistance. The CTI Industrial Supply Liner features a textured finish that improves traction and prevents cargo from shifting during transportation. It provides a seamless, waterproof barrier that protects against scratches, dents, and UV damage, ensuring long-term durability. In terms of usability, the CTI Industrial Supply Urethane Liner is designed for professional applications, providing a reliable solution for commercial and heavy-duty truck beds. It includes detailed instructions for preparation and application, ensuring optimal results. Durability is a standard feature of the CTI bedliner, engineered to withstand extreme temperatures and environmental conditions. The high-solids urethane resin maintains its flexibility and color integrity, providing a rugged yet professional finish. There you have it, our top picks for the 7 best spray-on bedliners for truck bed protection. Whether you are hauling tools for work or gear for adventure, these bedliners offer the durability and protection your truck bed needs. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.